Hi. Uh, I'm hoping in a series of videos that I'm going to post to help you with the commentary assignment. And I'll try to keep each individual video short and aimed at one question that you may or may not have, so you only need to watch the ones that help you. So the question for this video is, what is a commentary? I found that some students, especially who have undergraduate degrees in fields that are not Bible theology or ministry, are unfamiliar, excuse me, as I knock the commentary on the floor, are unfamiliar with what commentaries are, so they have a hard time with this assignment. Well, a commentary is a book, or usually a book, and it's about the Bible, not about a topic. It's usually about a single book of the Bible. So, commentary I knocked on the floor. Okay, you might have trouble reading this, but it says New American Commentary. That's the set it is a part of. And then down here it says Mark. This whole book explains the book of Mark. So it's about the Bible, not a topic. They're named by the Bible or the section of the Bible or the book of the Bible that they cover. And they are arranged by the text of the Bible. So let me find a good page here. These are hard to see, but okay. If you can see maybe on the page here that there is dark print, bold print, and then there's regular print. The bold print in this commentary is the text of the Bible, the text of the book of Mark. And then the regular print is the author's explanation of what that text means. Usually commentaries are named commentary, as this one says New American Commentary, or just by the name of the book of the Bible. So I'm looking across the room, I don't have this one, there's a commentary that says the book of Exodus. Well, that's the book it covers. So a commentary explains the meaning of the text. That's why it exists. But it may have a particular emphasis. Another one down here. This is a set, the NIV Application Commentary Series, and this book is about Ephesians. I don't know if you can see that there. Our librarian, Jeff Broderick, tells me that the students use this set all the time. That's one of their favorites. Now, my point is that it may have a particular emphasis. Well, the emphasis here is application. In another video, I will show you a commentary that's available online that's called the Backgrounds or Bible Backgrounds Commentary. The emphasis of this one is applying it to your life. The emphasis of the Bible Backgrounds Commentary is historical background, what was going on at the time when the Bible was written. Now, for a graduate course, if all I knew was this title, I'd be suspicious that this wasn't the kind of academic book I'm looking for. But this was actually a textbook for an undergraduate class I taught for another institution, and I was pleasantly surprised at how strong the academic emphasis is in here. So the application series is pretty good. The Bible background series is also good for what it does. So there may be a particular emphasis in the commentary you're looking at. It might be language. There are commentaries on the Greek New Testament, the Hebrew Old Testament, or there are commentaries that say linguistic commentary or interpretive commentary, historical background, as talked about one of those, or theological emphasis. There are Lutheran commentaries and Catholic commentaries and Baptist commentaries. So commentaries are all commentaries, but because they talk about the text, but they're all a little different. And it's a reference tool. A commentary is really not made for you to take it and read from front to back. This page says, I don't know if you can read it, Ephesians 2, 1 through 10. So if I were preparing a lesson on Ephesians 2, I would turn right to this page and just read about Ephesians 2. I wouldn't read the whole thing to get there. So in your assignment this week, you're to pick a passage, and you don't need to read 5 whole commentaries. You just need to read the page or pages that talk about your passage. Now, commentary may cover the whole Bible. Now, the NIV application commentary covers the whole Bible, but in, I don't know, 20 or 30 volumes. Some volumes are dedicated to one book, and some are dedicated to like 2 or 3 books. For example, the Communicator's Commentary. This one covers both Judges and Ruth, so it covers 2 books of the Bible. Also, in one volume. This is the Moody Bible Commentary. It's put out by the faculty of Moody Bible Institute, and it's a fat, thick book, and this covers the whole Bible in one volume. Obviously, this cannot go into as much detail as something like this, where they cover the whole Bible with a separate book for each book of the Bible. Part of the book of the Bible. Here's a book called D.A. Carson, Showing the Spirit, a theological exposition of 1 Corinthians 12 through 14. This only covers 1 Corinthians 12, 13, and 14. Notice this one has its own title. It's not just called Exposition of 1 Corinthians 12, 13, and 14. When I was in the library talking to the librarian today, he showed me a 4-volume set. Each volume was just as big as this Moody Bible commentary, and it only covered the book of Acts. That's kind of overkill in my mind. So each volume of that commentary covered a few chapters of the book of Acts. So that's what a commentary is. You can find out more about commentaries in my other videos.